This video shows how to install and use the Tagion AlphaOne network. Tagion AlphaOne runs on Linux, and this video shows how to install it using Ubuntu 18.4 or 24. To install Tagion AlphaOne, first install the required SSL and curl libraries. Open the README file in GitHub and copy-paste the command line entries as shown. If you get an empty output in either case, copy-paste the commands and install the required libraries. Next, install Tagion Wallet. Install the binary itself into user bin. Make sure you install the binary and not the folder that it is in. Tagion Wallet is now installed. Check by clearing and entering Tagion Wallet Help. The options list should appear. To begin using Tagion AlphaOne, you need to create accounts. For our example, make 2 directories, one for each account. Copy-paste the commands into the command line. Go to the W1 account and enter Tagion Wallet-G to begin creating your account wallet. Press C to enter the creation menu and use the arrows and enter to cycle through the recovery questions. Answer at least 3 questions and press C to confirm. When you are done, there should be Tagion wallet.hibon files for each directory. These files are your wallets. Next, obtain the test Tagions that you will use to pay from account to account. These Tagions are received from our automated faucet. If all is well, you will see a message confirming the sending. After about 15 seconds, check your balance as shown in the command line in the README file. The balance should have changed. Go to the empty accounts directory. In this case, it should be W2. Generate a payment request with the amount to be transferred. Next, go to the wallet with the Tagions and pay using the -pay command and PIN code as shown in the README file. Wait for 10 seconds after paying and check the previous wallet. Congratulations! You have just made your first transaction in the Tagion AlphaOne network.